Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. One of my students the other day said, "Can you explain into and onto?" Yes, I can. Both have the feeling of movement. For example, I'm putting my cup onto the table. The feeling of movement. You walk into a room from one place to the other. The picture in your head is one of moving. I'm pouring water into the glass. Now, of course, there is water in the glass, but before I was pouring it into, the feeling of movement from one place to another. Onto is the same. I'm putting the picture onto the wall. I'm putting the cereal back onto the shelf. So into is the movement of something into a confined space. Onto is the movement of something onto a surface of some kind. So there we are. Into and onto, they are easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye for now.